Today we'll be installing the Fiamma F80 Kit for our low pro rack. This can be a bit more involved of an installation process if you're installing your F80 awning at the same time, so grab a buddy to help with this one. It should only take you roughly an hour to complete. Begin by unpacking all of the contents of the boxes and laying them out so that you have easy access to all the items needed for the installation, and print out the installation guide if you need it. If you purchase this kit, you probably already understand its purpose and function, but we'll go through a quick refresher so you know what to expect with this product. The main purpose of the kit is to allow for you to fully utilize the Flatline Van Co low pro roof rack while making room for the Fiamma F80 awning on the passenger side of your van. Each of the short rail pieces in this kit are meant to accommodate the existing crossbars on your roof rack, so you only have to install as many of those as needed for the number of crossbars you want on your van. If you are installing this kit at the same time as your low pro roof rack, slide the appropriate amount of rail nuts into the passenger side roof track to accommodate your F80 brackets. If you are installing the F80 with a low pro that has already been fitted to your van, you'll need to remove the passenger side rail and then install the rail nuts and Fiamma bolts as well. After sliding all of the needed rail nuts into the track on your roof, you'll take the front and rear most brackets from the F80 kit and loosely attach them using the button head screws and lock washers. After loosely attaching the front and rear brackets and making sure they're pushed as far forward and back in the track, you can attach the center brackets to the rail nuts. The number of brackets should correspond with the number of crossbars you have installed on your low pro rack. Just remember, the center Fiamma awning bracket will have to be centered in your roof track, so leave space for that between the F80 kit brackets. After you've installed the brackets from the F80 kit to the roof rail, you can fully tighten them and move on to installing your Fiamma awning. The F80 awning will come with its own set of instructions for installation, and the Fiamma brackets should fit perfectly in line with the F80 kit brackets. With this kit, you can enjoy the benefits of having an awning on your van while fully utilizing the features of a low pro rack as well. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out to our support team with any installation questions that may come up during the process.